Hello, busy homemaker. Have you ever found something very interesting in your kitchen drawers when you went through them, when you were organizing and decluttering? Well, I found one of the most interesting gadgets, and I'll show you that in a bit, in a moment. And for those of you that don't know me, I am Deb. You are in the kitchen with Deb. I'm having my coffee time here and chatting with you. A little bit about my life and what's going on. And we were doing in my group the least used and most used utensil challenge in my group. And when I did the challenge in the group, I found the most interesting kitchen gadget. I'm going to show it to you. You can see it better over here on this side. It's got a handle. It's got a hook to hang it. It's all wire. Thin, flimsy wire. It's not real thick. So it moves. Now, I found this in my most used utensil drawer, which it shouldn't be there. It was hiding half under my cutlery tray. Now I'm looking at this thing going, well, first of all, what do you think it is? Is it a whisk? Is it a spatula? It's real thin. Is it for an outside grill to flip a burger? What do you think? Now, I can honestly say I haven't used this for probably about 5 years. I don't know if it came like a freebie with something I bought in the past. And I think I remember using it once. And that was to get ravioli out of the boiling pot so that I don't get burned. I think I used it for that, to test it and see if it was done. But I can honestly say, I don't know if it's for noodles like that and you put it together, you know, scoop them out so you don't get burned, or if it is a spatula, or if it's a whisk. Anybody has any ideas? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Obviously, this is something I will put in my donate box. I've never used it. I mean, if I did, it was once. And that, like I said, that was so long ago, I'm guessing that's the only thing I could have used it for. Or if I tried it on a burger and went, are you nuts? This thing don't work. Or I didn't like it because it was so thin, or I didn't want to scratch my pan. I don't know what the deal was. So I'm wondering, what was the most interesting thing you found in your kitchen cabinet or your drawers? I'd like to know. I'd like to find out. If you know what this thing is, oh, please let me know. I'd love to know myself. Because right now it's going in the donate box. So I just thought I'd share that with you. I thought that was very interesting. I was surprised actually to really find it under there hiding. The handle was at the back of the drawer and all the rest of it was under. It was on so flat that I never even noticed it. So, hashtag let me know if you're watching the replay, and let me know what this thing is. I'd like to find out. Thank you. Just wanted to share what I found in my kitchen cabinet drawer, kitchen drawer. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.